In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an object in Adobe Express. First, head over to your Adobe Express account. Once you're logged in, click on the Explore Quick Actions option. After that, scroll down until you see the Remove Objects option. Simply click on it and then select the image from your device in which you want to remove any object. Once the image is loaded, you will be able to see it on your screen. First, adjust the brush size from the left side of your screen. You can make the brush size bigger or smaller depending on the size of the object you want to remove. After adjusting the brush size, use the brush tool to carefully select the object you want to remove from your image. Adobe Express will fill that space with content that blends with the rest of the image. After you have selected the object completely, click on the Remove option at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Adobe Express will then generate different results based on the surrounding content. You will see multiple options for how the edited area will look. You can select any of the generated results that you prefer. If you don't like any of the results, you can scroll down and click on Generate More Options to see additional choices. Once you've selected the result you like, simply click on Keep to finalize the edit. Then close the Remove Object tool. To save your new image, click on the Download option at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Choose the file format you want, and then click on Download again. The new image will be saved to your device, and that's how you can remove an object in Adobe Express.